construction sites. We see them all around us. And although the end result of the work is always quite different, there are the usual similarities to the untrained eye. Stacks of material, waiting to be assembled or installed in the proper place. The cranes that will put them there. Tools that bring the task down to a more intimate, individual level of man and machine, repeated thousands of times every day. But the thing that every workplace has in common, regardless of what it will become, is shared risk. The financial risk of the owner. And when it comes to picking the right people to do the job, do-overs are not an option. Productivity is paramount. Knowledge is power. At the end of the day, it comes down to this. Who are those people under those hard hats? Who is actually doing the work? Are they all pros or also rands? What skills and attitude do they bring to the table every day? See, it's what's going on in the minds under those hard hats that is exactly the NECA IBEW Powering America team difference. We're the most skilled and productive, safest power professionals in the world. And it all starts here at our Electrical Training Alliance facilities all across this country.
With the solar photovoltaic process, these modules convert sunlight into DC power, which is then inverted into AC power for electrical distribution.
This control panel is the brains of a production line at a manufacturing facility.
I used to play video games. Now I work on the instrumentation and automation for industrial process controls.
I work on the computer systems that control traffic in our city.
I am about to supply the power that will run this high-rise apartment building.
On any given day, I could be programming VFDs or updating safety sensors to tighten machine tolerances.
And I'm upgrading the conveyor belts monitoring system to make sure you and your bag arrive at the same place.
Founded in 1941, the Electrical Training Alliance is the backbone of the Powering America team's industry leadership. Each and every year, our NECA contractors and IBEW locals spend $200 million nationally to train our men and women, not just the how, but the why of electrical and communication systems that power our world. When their training is complete, they not only can lead crews on the job, they're leaders of the industry. That's because there's nowhere else where a worker can, under one roof, learn electrical theory, conduit bending, programmable logic controllers, motor controls, fire alarm, fiber optics, local area networking, arc flash protection. The list goes on, and it keeps growing because we have been embracing innovation for more than 125 years. It's an always advancing process because electricity, power, and information systems are always advancing industries. You'll find our men and women plying their trade wherever there's a need for power, from industrial to commercial, to data centers and smart buildings, to alternative and green energy systems. We invest so heavily in our training because we are well aware that our customers and owners are investing heavily in their own projects, and we don't want to let them down. Ours is a changing, challenging technical industry that we've chosen as our way of life. But for our customers, it still comes down to this. The key to a job well done is having people on it who know what they're doing. It's really as simple as that.
We are
the Powering America team.